The best robot vacuum cleaners are massive time savers, and some of them are incredibly smart too. They can integrate with your favorite smart speaker and other smart home kit, automatically work out the best times to get busy, and in many cases they can even clean themselves too. So in today's video, I'm going to show you top 5 best robot vacuum cleaner in 2024. Links to all the product mentioned in the video are in the description below. You can check and get more info about this product. So let's get started. Number 5. Robotic Q5 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The user-friendly app accompanying a Q5 offers extensive customization options, allowing users to schedule cleaning cycles, direct the vacuum to specific rooms, and designate off-limits areas within the home. Despite occasional limitations in its obstacle detection system, the Q5 demonstrates superior navigation skills, efficiently avoiding obstacles compared to other robots tested. Additionally, its quiet operation makes it ideal for households with pets or individuals sensitive to noise, enhancing its overall usability and appeal. Number 4. Greenworks Robotic Vacuum Cleaner. The Greenworks Robotic Vacuum GRV 1010 stands out as an efficient and powerful cleaning solution for any household. Boasting a suction power of 2200 p, it effortlessly eliminates dirt and hair from both carpets and hard floors. Its intelligent path planning ensures comprehensive coverage of every room, while obstacle avoidance and anti-drop sensors enable it to navigate even under furniture and inaccessible areas with ease. Control is made simple through the intuitive Greenworks Smart Gap or voice commands via Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. With a range of cleaning modes available, users can tailor their cleaning experience to suit their preferences. In essence, the Greenworks Robotic Vacuum GRV 1010 delivers unparalleled convenience, efficiency, and suction power, guaranteeing a thorough and hassle-free cleaning experience. Number 3. RVacnic Vacuum Cleaner. Introducing the RVacnic Vacuum, a powerful, smart robot cleaner designed for effortless cleaning. With its low profile, cyclone cleaning, scheduled cleaning, and app control, it tackles dust, pet hair, and debris on all surfaces. Engineered for pet owners, it's hassle-free and adaptable, ensuring a consistently clean home. Plus, its no-entanglement design and advanced navigation technology make it efficient and safe. With self-recharging capabilities and real-time status monitoring, it's the ultimate cleaning companion for modern living. Experience convenience and cleanliness like never before with the RVacnic Vacuum. Number 2. Shark IQ Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The Shark RV1001 AEIQ Robot Self-Empty XL Vacuum is a powerful pet-friendly automatic vacuum that features a self-emptying base, a self-cleaning brush roll, and a high-efficiency filter to capture dust, dander, and pet allergens. It offers a deep cleaning power to take on large debris, small debris, and pet hair on carpets and floors. The vacuum provides multi-stage filtration to capture and trap 99% of dust, dander, and pet allergens. You can schedule whole home cleanings or direct the vacuum to clean specific rooms or areas via the Shark Clean app or voice control with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Additionally, the Shark IQ Robot Vacuum features total home mapping plus room select, row-by-row cleaning, and recharge and resume capabilities. With its sleek design and user-friendly interface, keeping your home clean has never been easier. Number 1. AOBO P20 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Introducing the AOBO P20 Robot Vacuum Cleaner, a powerful, slim, and smart cleaning companion. With 2800 PA suction power, app control, and self-charging capabilities, it effortlessly tackles dust, pet hair, and debris on various surfaces. Its sleek design and scraper technology ensure deep cleaning, while a 120-minute runtime and remote control add convenience. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with a 12-month warranty. Experience hassle-free cleaning and a pristine home with the AOBO 20. Effortlessly maintain your home's cleanliness with this advanced cleaning solution. Say goodbye to manual vacuuming and hello to convenience. That's all for today. If you find this video helpful, so thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and connect with us for the latest technology and review. We receive motivation of your feedback. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment. Thank you.